ever since Yuri Gagarin became the first man to reach space in 1961. Cosmonauts, along with other astronauts from around the world, have had visions and experiences in space that defy explanation. Perhaps the most curious among these incidents is what has become known as the Space Whisper.
There's an anonymous cosmonaut, I think he's simply known as Cosmonaut X, who allegedly talked about an experience that he and another cosmonaut had while they were in orbit. What this anonymous cosmonaut said, he heard something speaking to him inside his mind.
Both apparently heard this same whispering inside their heads, a kind of telepathic message. This cosmic whisper said that they were his ancestors from the very distant past. They told him things about his own family in the Urals that no one would have known. And they also told him that they should go back to Earth, that Russia was not ready, and, prepare yourself.
There were more than one cosmonaut. Some of them knew not to report it because this would eliminate their presence in the space program. But they talked among each other when they could, and they found out that it was more than one person and in different spaceships that had been subjected to this.
Salyut 7 Space Station, July 12, 1984. Cosmonauts Oleg Atkov, Leonid Kazim, and Vladimir Solovyov enter the 156th day of their 237-day stay aboard Russia's Scientific Research Space Station. All three crew members witness an extraordinary event.
In 1984, Soviet cosmonauts on board Salyut 7 saw a strange orange glow around the spacecraft, and they saw what they thought at first was maybe a gas leak. But it seemed that the whole station was surrounded by this orange cloud. And as they looked at it, the cloud coalesced into a shape.
Suddenly, they are all blinded by this orange light. When they regain their vision, they look out the portals of the spacecraft. They describe seeing 7 angelic beings that are traveling alongside their spacecraft and did so for 10 minutes.
Officials dismissed the incident as a group hallucination resulting from oxygen deprivation and pressure fluctuations. Later that summer, 3 more cosmonauts joined the Salyut 7 crew. All 6 of them, once again, saw these winged beings. But how could all of these cosmonauts share one hallucination? And might the winged figures seen by the Salyut 7 crew really have been extraterrestrials? Ancient astronaut theorists say yes, and suggest that similar sightings were secretly reported by many Russian cosmonauts. It is another example of extraterrestrial activity that is only now being disclosed.
They got that knowledge, it boggles the mind. We have been visited by extraterrestrials in the remote past.